Guys, we're now going to make a website like this. So you can see this animation here. The animation is running right here. So we have to make this animation right now. So let's get start the video. So guys, we're making this whole website. Let's open the folder in which you have to make the website. So let's open it with a code. Open with code. Then you open it with a code. Then let's start making the website now. So this is the picture which we use in our background, and this is our index.html file. So in this index.html file we will have to add the whole process. So for this, let's add one div dot container, and for this styling purpose I have to add style.css file. So this will help in our styling the website. So for this div.container, let's add link style.css, link this CSS file with this HTML folder. So let's come back and add CSS for this container class. So for this container class we add some CSS. So first we add margin 0 and padding 0 and font family sans serif. So after this, now add CSS for the container. So for this container tag, you will have to add the background image, linear gradient, and this color code in this manner, and duplicate it and add the same color code like this. After this, add URL and add picture path, picture name 6.jpg, background position, center, background size, it will be cover, and width 100% and height 100 vh. After this, let's come back to the HTML file. In this HTML file and in this div, let's add some more div which name is div.content. In this content, add h1 tag, and here you will have to add your content. So I add this content. So after adding the content, let's just save this file and come back to the CSS file. In this content, you will have to add some of the CSS for this content, in which you have to add position, absolute, top, 50%, transform, translate y minus 50%, and from left it will be 15%. After this, add dot content again, and then h1 tag for our h1. So for this h1, add color white and font size 60 pixel, and text transform uppercase. And let's save it and open it with the live server extension. So you can see that this text is coming right there. So for this, we have to add the animation for this programming with bloody. So let's come back to the HTML file and let's come back to the CSS file. So in this CSS file, in this content and h1, I have to add minus webkit text stroke. It will be 1 pixel, and it will be 1 pixel transparent, and color will also be transparent. And we have to add minus webkit clip, background clip. So where is the background clip? Here is the background clip. Background clip will be text, because we have to add the animation for the text. And after this, we will have to add background image, which color run in our background. So background image, it will be aqua, it will be yellow, linear gradient, and then yellow, and then yellow. So after adding this, you have to set the background position. So background position will be minus 1000 pixels and 0. And after adding this, you have to add background repeat, no repeat. So after adding this, you will have to add animation. It will be animation 5 seconds, linear, infinite, alternate, and here we have to set the identifier for the animation. It will be back color. So let's come back and here add keyframes. Identifier name is back color. So this is the identifier name, and put it right down here. And after this, you have to add the CSS properties for this back color. So for 100%, then it will be on 100%. You have to set the background position for this 0 0. After saving this content, let's come back to the website, and you have to see that this content is right there. Sorry, I have to add this minus 1000 pixel, so make it to the 1000 pixel, and then you can see that our animation for this programming with Pillar is about to complete. So this is a very good looking website, so you can make this within no time. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.